Do you want to create animated videos that looks exactly like this? So right here guys, I'm going to show you an AI tool that helps you to generate animated videos that looks exactly like this right here. So guys, you want to simply go onto the LensGo.ai. With LensGo.ai, you can make all your wonders visual. You can easily generate images using text prompts or images prompts, and you can easily animate videos. You can generate videos from text prompts and many more right here. So right here guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to animate videos by making use of this AI tool called LensGo. So once you're right here guys, simply go on to animate videos, and once you're right here you can easily select your model. As you can see, we have the Real Prime and the Anime Prime. So let's simply make use of Anime Prime right here. And right here guys, on the image dimension we have the 1:1, 3:4, 2:3, 9:16. But guys, let's simply make use of 16:9 right here. And our video duration, you can easily make this to be normal or longer right here. So let's leave this to be normal right here guys. So once you're done with this, you can easily upload a video right here to animate, or you can easily put in a text prompt. So right here guys, I'm just going to paste in a text prompt right here and click onto. I'm just going to remove all the punctuation marks right here guys, and you simply go on to generate. And as you can see right here, it is generating right here guys. So you can easily just wait for a few minutes and this will be done. And right here guys, as you can see, I've been able to create awesome images by making use of this AI tool right here. So right here guys, as you can see, it is done generating. So if I easily play this video, you're going to see how it actually looks like right here. So guys, this is how you can actually turn your text prompts into animated videos by simply making use of this AI tool called the LensGo right here. All you want to simply do is to just give this a prompt and go on to generate, and it's just going to generate the video right here for you. Or you can easily just upload a video right here and it's just going to do that. So this video is created using the Anime Prime. You can also make use of the Real Prime right there. So guys, simply try out this AI tool if you want to create animated videos.